full-size truck game just got a serious shakeup. Announced on July 22, 2025, the 2026 Toyota Tundra is here, blending legendary rugged capability with luxurious comfort and cutting-edge technology. Get ready for a Tundra that's bolder, smarter, and ready for anything. Starting inside, the top-tier experience is elevated. The Capstone grade now offers an all-new Shale premium textured leather trim, transforming the cabin into a sanctuary of upscale comfort. It's pure luxury you can feel. The limited grade also steps up its game with new leather trim seats, featuring a fresh pattern and contrasting white or black stitching. For the adventure seekers, the Tundra TRD Pro has two massive updates. First, there's an all-new color making a splash, the exclusive Wave Maker. Second, the TRD Pro can now be ordered with the optional ISO dynamic seats borrowed from the Tacoma TRD Pro, enhancing comfort and stability on the roughest off-road trails. But a Tundra is about muscle. The available iForce Max hybrid powertrain delivers a monumental 437 horsepower and a stunning 583 pound-feet of torque. This immense power enables a maximum 12,000-pound towing capacity. Plus, a tow hitch and 7/4-pin connector are now standard on all models, including the SR grade. Big news on convenience. The smaller fuel tank option is gone. The 32.2-gallon fuel tank is now standard on all grades, giving you maximum range right out of the gate. And for maximizing off-road prowess, the TRD Rally Package now offers the available TRD 3-inch lift kit and tow tech package. The Tundra is also a tech fortress. Every truck features the superior Toyota safety Sense 2.5 as standard, including pre-collision system with pedestrian detection and dynamic radar cruise control. Inside, the intuitive Toyota Audio multimedia system, with its available 14-inch touchscreen, offers standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And for rear passenger comfort, all double cab models now feature dedicated rear center console air vents. The 2026 Toyota Tundra continues its legacy of technical muscle. Assembled proudly in San Antonio, Texas, it offers luxury, power, and capability in one complete, standard-equipped package. With a host of premium, performance, and utility updates, the 2026 Tundra is clearly positioned to dominate. Go see the new standard of full-size trucks today.